whom I had the privilege of shaking hands with today, and members of the international jury. I mean, imagine people from various countries coming for this event. This itself speaks of the importance of the event. And people from various countries, members of the international jury, thank you very much, sir, for coming from all over the world to be part of us and teach us better ways of going on the sailing week. The event is part of this competition decade. I can call it my fortune, but probably not in this story. I think is one of the biggest things. And I've had the privilege of being here for almost a decade. I've been part of this event, and every year I look forward to this event because this gives you that fresh air which you don't get in many other places or other parts of other activities of my own life. So for my life, I'm a person. Every year for this because it sort of gives me a breather, it gives me extra vitamins. So I thank you all for that. I'm extremely happy to know that the government of Telangana has been given many incentives for the sport of sailing. And I'm also happy to note that this Hussainsagar Lake and this sailing week has become the building ground for many youngsters to come up and win medals over the years. Right now, as I told you, I've met many of them, and as it is, and next year, I'm sure when you head the sailing mixer, probably the hot people, half of them will be only medalists who have sort of come up the national level or international level. That is what I'm expecting next time. The audience will be mostly medal winners and probably going much bigger places forward. I'm indeed happy that the sustained efforts by the various sailing associations like of India on the international sailing map. I'm aware of the tremendous amount of hard work and meticulous planning that goes into organizing an event like this. I would like to particularly thank General Paramjit Singh and other I'm sure many of you will enjoy this event, and Hyderabad is particularly, I think Tankman is going to be full of a whole lot of visitors who are going to watch this event, and I do hope the television also will sort of broadcast it in a much bigger way. I mean, instead of giving us tragedies, I think they should show us this for the next, at least till this week lasts. I think they should show us the sailing competition, which will be a great relief for all people watching the television. I do appeal to the electronic media who are here, please focus on this. Let us see this happy event. Will come towards Tankman and watch this event and enjoy their evenings and see how nice the weather is and how well our sailors are doing. I wish you all very well, very happy sailing, and I'm sure the winds are in your favor. The winds are definitely blowing in your favor, and that itself is a very good omen for this event, and wish you all very well, and thank you once again for giving me this privilege to be part of this event. Thank you very much.